Got a new tongue twister for you. Breda Brescia's barrels back. Breda Brescia's barrels back. Say that 4 times fast. All right, let's see what we got. Mill Serp Garage, the Breda Brescia. Gotta revive it. Yeah, crack. Tig Welded. Yeah, we had to be careful right there not to go into the where the rim of the shell would sit. Where's my shell? Show you how nice that. Boom. Perfect. Where was I? So unfortunately I couldn't get any footage of this actually being repaired because I had to leave it with him. He was unlike the last time. He was very busy this time. So we had to leave it and then come back, which is, you know what, maybe it's better. I have to be hanging over the guy's shoulder with a camera. He does good work though. He actually made up a device to go in here, a thing that sat over the top of this that went in there, because with the TIG, if he goes in here, it can arc this way instead of arcing that way when he goes to do this interior part right here. And has to be careful that it doesn't do that. So he made up a thing so if it did arc, it would arc too. The insert that he put in that hole, he did something similar on this side too. And so here's some before and afters. You could see that I have my work cut out for me here. I have to file this down, grind this down a bit. I mean, I don't think, it's not like, I mean, all I got to do is just get it to function. It's like I don't need to make it look like nothing happened. I think I might have to take a little bit of this off, but I don't know if I need to go crazy. So here's what his shop looks like. I took a picture of the shop, but unfortunately, footage of the actual job getting done was not possible. And the same token, I'm not going to take any footage of the job that I need to get done. I'm going to work on this. This is slow, tedious, and careful work. It isn't like something I could just do in 2 minutes and it's just gratifying for the people on the channel to see. It would be just long, boring work where my hands would be in the way most of the time anyway. You know what I mean? So let's check back in. I guess maybe I'll do like a halfway through, getting close kind of thing, and then we'll finish up. Beautiful job though. I think he did great. And see you in a minute. All right, so let's take a look on video how it turned out, and I'll show you some more before and afters as well. So here it was very important to get this smoothed perfectly because this has to fit inside the receiver. And that, while you see a minor mark there, I think I did a pretty good job of knocking that down smooth. This is where the extractor claw has to recess into. That had to be totally clear. Came out nice. This curve around here, I want it to be very smooth. This is where another crack would start brewing. If you left like a stress riser, you left this, then it kind of burr. So this is just a nice smooth transition right across there. In here, just had to be really careful to clear the rim here, to clear where the shell goes in and out, and not to be in the way. There was like just a teeny bit, it was clicking over just a teeny bit of this weld. I knocked that down a little bit, smoothed this out. But inside here, there's nothing that it's going to interfere with. So I wanted to leave this little bit of meat on there just to make it stronger. See that little bit, a little puddle in there I left and just polished. But out here, I couldn't leave anything. This in here, that inside here, it had to be smooth. Now we just get to shoot it and see if crack reappears. That's the most fun part, testing it. Hopefully I'm testing it for the rest of my life to see if it cracks again. And now, being that the brake is in the right spot, that bronze brake, and the shotgun is set up properly, should be okay. I don't want anyone to think. I mean, I don't really know the how these things in general hold up. I'm thinking that they're okay. This one was just set up wrong, so I just don't want it to reflect bad on the shotguns themselves. But don't know a lot about these. They could all be. People could say yes, they're very prone to cracking. I don't know whether that's true or not, but I do know that if you don't have the brake in the right spot, just like on a car, if it didn't have a brake, it wouldn't look like such a great car. You know what I mean? So that's that. I think it was a job well done. We get out there on the trap range this weekend with this thing again, and see if I can make any cracks reappear. You'll take care. See you later.